Jerry Zayden here with Camberg Engineering in Huntington Beach, California. We have this new Raptor that's coming into the shop right now, and we're going to do the works on this. We're doing Fox Factory Series shocks front and rear, Diva rear springs, Camberg rear shackles, Camberg billet upper control arms. We have a full throttle battery going in. We're doing Baja Designs lights and a bunch of other upgrades. So why don't you come watch us build this truck, check it out, and then next week we're going on an off-road trip where you'll see it in action.